Welcome to Beyond the Arches. My name is Brandon Medina, and today we're at Southwest High School focusing on one senior's project that's soaring to new heights. Welcome to Beyond the Arches, Beyond the Arches. Welcome to Beyond the Arches, Beyond the Arches. Welcome to Beyond the Arches, Beyond the Arches, Beyond the Arches. We're here with senior Kevin Rodriguez at Southwest High School. Talk to me about this project. You got the Alamo Regional Science Fair shirt on. What does this project mean to you, and tell us a little bit more about what you're doing here?
Yeah, so this project is really meaningful to me because I first got the idea to do this after my GT project last year, where I was cleaning up the river, and I worked with a couple of my classmates here at Southwest, and we picked up over 150 pounds of trash. And I just thought that during that process, there were a lot of inefficiencies that I thought I could build a robot to help smooth that process out. And so this project was born out of that idea and those inefficiencies. I thought that if I could produce a robot that could detect the plastics and could map them, then the process for cleaning up the rivers would be a lot more streamlined, and more people could go there and have a larger impact on our rivers.
All right, we are here with the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Irby here at Southwest High School. Talk to me, physics, aviation. You have a student in Kevin who's soaring to new heights with a lot of things, especially this project. What is it about this project and Kevin that's been so special?
Yeah, so I think last year Kevin approached me that he was interested in drones and creating his own drone. I have a 3D printer in my room. So I showed him some CAD software, some computer-assisted design software, and he was able to learn how to do that on his own. Then he asked for some more assistance to be able to use the 3D printer, print some of the parts for his drone. And when we started school this year, he brought up that he wanted to do the Alamo Regional Science Fair. And so I said yes to that. From there, he took off, right? Literally took off. So, and that's, I think, true for a lot of our kids. If they have opportunity and you say yes to the things that they're interested in. But Kevin is uniquely, intrinsically motivated to do things above and beyond. And after this participation in the science fair, I believe it's something that he'll keep working on until he learns how to do it, right? And that's just the kind of kid he is.
So Mr. Irby has been a huge help in this project. He's of course a drone pilot. He's certified as a drone pilot, so he's given me help from that part. And also his aerospace background, or his background building airplanes, has given me like insights into what it is like to actually build something that flies.
What was it like being at the Alamo Regional Science Fair? You mentioned you were a finalist. That's incredible. What was it like being there, networking, seeing what other people are doing around you? What was that feeling like in that environment?
Yeah, so it was just really a crazy experience because I was the only one there from my high school. It was just really cool being around like other people who had worked like so hard on these projects, and they had these visions that they wanted to act upon, and like that they were there to build something that could improve like human technology and like improve human the quality of life. And I thought that just being around like those type of people was really cool.
I can kind of speak to this because in high school I actually went to the Alamo Regional Science Fair, and then I actually went to the state science fair and got third. So when Kevin said that he was interested in this, I was thinking back to when I was in high school. But for Kevin, you know, when I talked to him, he told me one of the things he's most interested in was that he wanted to learn about some of the things they were studying. He's just really into research, and he wants to contribute to that part of the scientific community, you know?
There's definitely a huge amount of opportunities here at Southwest High School. The advanced classes, on-ramps physics, of course, which Mr. Irby does teach, on-ramps chemistry. I would definitely recommend students that are passionate about science to take those courses. Also the teachers, as I mentioned, my GT project, I had huge support from teachers such as Ms. Habe, Ms. Dan. They really helped me in my work and just like guiding my scientific thinking. So the teachers here are definitely very valuable resources that students should be taking advantage of.
That's going to do it for this episode of Beyond the Arches. We'll see you next time. And as always, we are Southwest.